Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our washer fluid nozzles. This is going to be done from inside the engine compartment, right on the lower aspect of the hood here. Now you're going to be able to find your washer fluid hose that leads to each of these. There's one over on the driver's side, and then a little further over towards the center of the vehicle, there's going to be one for the passenger side. To start removing these, I always just kind of grab onto it. I'm going to give it a little wiggle and try pulling it down at the same time, trying to separate the hose from the nozzle itself. There we are. Now you just want to inspect that, make sure it doesn't look like it's dry rotted or cracked in any way. This one still looks great, so we can go ahead and set this aside, and now we can start removing the nozzle. So now we're going to go ahead and start taking the nozzle out of the hood. Let's have a look at the new one. If you were to look at it, looking along both sides, you can see these little tabs. We're just going to reach right up inside this area here, squeeze on those, and then we can press it up and out of the hood. There it is, friends. Now we can get ready to install this. Just go ahead and line it up and press it right down. Let's go ahead and connect in our hose. Press that right on there, make sure it's bottomed out. And now let's do the same on the other side. All right, now at this point, you just want to go ahead and close the hood, put the key in the on position, and test your washer fluid squirters, making sure that they're aiming at the windshield properly.